servlet engine, the HTTP server. Everything else is going to be loaded via REST and imported onto this page. So the only thing that this page really has is the container, which is just a placeholder to say this is where all of the information that we need goes. So that's a pretty simple page. And then we're going to use, we're going to compose this page out of all the various segments or fragments we have of the page. These are all stored in our resources folder, in the templates. And each page is stored as a separate template, so that the JavaScript engine we use is able to take all of these segments and use that action router and use the view handlers in the MVC model in order to display the correct one or load the correct one for the user display. So if we, for example, take a look at the events, which I believe should be in here. I apologize. We also need to, I think, probably first need to have a look at the JavaScript for this. So again, the JavaScript's arranged in a similar way. So we could have a look. We've got JavaScript for each of our server-side objects. So here we have the JavaScript for an event. And because we're using Backbone, Backbone provides, as I said, this fairly easy to use MVC framework, where all we need to do is plug into Backbone the REST URL of where the model resides on the server side, and Backbone will take care of creating all of the CRUD methods we need on the client side for us from that REST service. So that's very simple. Okay, so that's our model, and all of our models look just like that. You know, we can bring up the booking, for example, and we'll see again, it's just really a stub that specifies what the REST path is. So then let's have a look at how the views work, how we actually